I am honored to be selected for the 2022 Frank A. Landee Award for Teaching Excellence. I'd like to thank Dr. David Karpovich for nominating me and the selection committee for their efforts in making these difficult decisions with so many quality faculty on our SVSU campus. I'd like to thank my family for supporting my study abroad trips to the Cayman Islands and my freshwater science field course activities. I want to thank my colleagues in my department for sticking together during difficult times and for all their hard work on curriculum to provide our students with a new and engaging experience. The unique experiences we provide for our students, both inside and outside the classroom, are the fundamental driving mechanisms of their success. We have the power to motivate students in significant and powerful ways. Nothing is more rewarding than seeing students learn about local freshwater ecosystems, water quality, global impacts of plastic pollution, and the biodiversity of fish and corals along outlying reefs. These are the types of hands-on experiences that can inspire students to make change. I, like my colleagues, work diligently to perfect my craft as an educator, to build relationships with my students, and provide a learning environment that promotes their success. Our students head out into the world as our future leaders, and it is our job to empower them with the tools, knowledge, and confidence necessary to succeed.